Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Ingersoll Rand InsightQC Controller and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons that you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this controller is not working, if it keeps crashing, if it's not connecting to your network or not following the protocol you've set for it, any kind of issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set everything up again because everything will be wiped to its out-of-the-box factory default settings. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you want to get a fresh start, maybe you're installing this on a new set of tools or whatever like that, and you just want to get a start as though this were a brand new device, we can go ahead and do that as well. What we're going to need to do is just have power to it, and you're going to need a paper clip or something like that, or a pin to press this reset button here. Just make sure it's not too sharp that it doesn't damage the device. And you will need to press and hold this reset button for more than 10 seconds. And once you do that, this will reset everything, including the IP address of the unit. So you'll need to set everything up again, both in terms of its configuration and in terms of its connections.